Today we're talking about the Vigil fire beater and the Vigil Rakehoe. Let me grab a couple. Oh, one fire beater, one Rakehoe. This, by the way, is sometimes called a McLeod. Don't ask me why, but it is. These are made of fiberglass. They are lightweight. They are a mainstay of country paths. You see them by style. So if you think out in where there's a heath fires are coming more common with climate change. You're going to have forestry, national trust properties, farms, holiday homes, in the middle of nowhere. Remember how far you are from the fire service, campsites, etc. I'm going to put one of these down because they both share the same style of fiberglass handle. And what you'll find with common ones in the old days, they were wooden and they tend to rot. So if you look at yours out in the countryside, if they haven't been nicked, then they quite often are. These modern ones are lightweight fiberglass. Ours are 1.35 meters long of the actual handle. A lot of people only have them at 1.2 meters. That's so they can fit them in with their carriers short limits of size. Ours are slightly longer, which gives you an easier usage. Now, this is difficult to do in studio, but basically using it, you are going to slap it down like so. I'll stop that before everyone comes running and wondering what's going on. This is a thick, heavy-duty industrial rubber, kind of thing they use in conveyor belts and things like that at airports. This will survive, but that beats out the fire, as you can imagine. With the Rakehoe, that's going to be similar to your garden rake. Simple as this. You are trying to break up the roots underneath because the fire will spread through the heather. It's underground. You remember they dig out fire breaks. That's what you're trying to do, is make a fire break. So you tend to have, so if you bought 10 fire beaters, you'd probably have one person with a Rakehoe. It's not one for each. Now I'll put that down and show you how it arrives. Take the bags off. So there you have that, and it's a simple case of just popping this on top. All you need is a spanner. Fire beater is going to be pretty much the same. Again, take this off and you have one of those. You can see there is one screw, undo it, pop it on the top. This is already bolted together, and it's as simple as that. So it's not just in the summer, not just when those fires are happening. You have to prepare in advance. These can be purchased in the winter. Don't wait till the fire happens. These happen on the spur of the moment. It's always too late. So check your stocks, check what you've got. If you haven't got enough, add more. The Vigil fire beater, the Vigil Rakehoe, very, very popular products. To find out more or where to buy, look in the description or look at the end of this video.